This is the biggest challenge so far.
I was away most of the season. The operation went over 2.5 hours. It did take a very long time to recover and get back to work again.
It's okay to be the leader of a bigger group, especially when they listen to what you have to say, even though I am 40, 50 years younger than these guys.
He's leading the company very well when I'm not there. It's feel good that Ole Henrik wants to come and take over the company.
This truck driver has been very lucky. As you can see, he's almost hit the river.
In the winter time, we have 4 or 5 hours with daylight.
When you're working in night in the dark, you don't see, so you have to go and think what's happening. You have to do more attention to what you're doing.